What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Check this view out, guys. We've got, this is basically real world Fast and the Furious here. We're all heading out to Cleetus McFarland's Spectator drags. We've got everybody here. Porsche 570. She's the Dodge Ram. Thank you, sir. We got Dan and Denny with us today. They brought the ZL1 and the 570. They're all both going to be on the race as well. We got Robert with the AMG all-wheel drive C43. That's going to be tough to beat right there. We got the C8 in the truck over there in the trailer. Anyways, we're all about to head out. We'll see you guys at the track. So we are in the Dodge Ram right now, pulling the C8 Corvette. We are pulling up to Cleetus's Freedom Factory right now. All right, guys, we just got our tech card. We're getting out now. Gotta take the C8 out of the trailer. Oh, God. Our buddy Dan has graciously gave us his trailer, let us borrow his trailer, so we can put the C8 in here. So with the C8 today, we brought a couple friends. We've got Anthony with his GT350. We got Robert with the C43 AMG, and we got Dan and Denny over here with the McLaren and the ZL1. All right, guys, we are getting in line. We are about to go do our grade lap, but let me show you guys the cars that are part of Spectator drag. So we're starting off with a PT Cruiser. It's like a Grand National or some type of Buick or something like that. Got a Mitsubishi 3000 GT, C5, got the SS, and Swiss Roll. How you feeling about the first race, my friend?
We'll see how it goes.
You got this, you got this. All-wheel drive, launch control, get off the line. You know what to do. We got some pickup trucks, got a convertible Miata. We got Denny and her 570, got another ATS-V. This thing's tuned and everything, it's pretty quick. It runs 11s in the quarter. Dan's ZL1, he's gonna be going against an S2000. And then we got our C8. I guess I should address the elephant in the room. So yes, the Corvette was wrecked. But we'll talk about it in another video. All right, guys, so a little update with our group. Robert in the C43 AMG, he won his race, so he's going to the second round. Florida man and
let's go, Robert. Go, Robert.
Denny with the 570S won her race against the Fox Body Mustang, so she's going to the second round. Anthony still hasn't gone yet. He's in the GT350 right here.
That's Anthony Barranco, car number 21 in the Shelby GT350.
Let's go! Run, Anthony!
Took him off the line, so unless he caught him on the corner. Maybe. He caught him! He caught him! He caught him! He's up front, bro! He just didn't have traction. That's
We got Dan over there in the ZL1.
Let's go.
Let's see if he's familiar with it. Because he's with him. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Let's go, S2000.
Alright, guys, we're about to do our first race.
Instead of missing the event, they pulled a couple body panels off so they could make it, because we figured he's only at a disadvantage without his front downforce.
Once again, it's Lexus. Sorry, I was kind of out of it. Just kind of zoned in. But yeah, we won our first one. Our whole group, all 5 won their very first races. They're all going to the second round. Insane. All right, guys, we're about to start our second round of races. Robert's going right now against a truck. It's best 2 out of 3 on this set. Denny's going against a Crown Vic. All right, guys, this is our second round. We're going against an CTS-V. Woo, so this should be fun.
Let the dog eat. Here we go. Matt Whittington in that banged up Corvette, but Cleetus said it. Those Corvettes, they are.
Our second round of races. Woo! Got him 2 out of 3 against the CTSV. Oh man, oh man. What's our next race? Then unfortunately for us, we're going against the Mustang, the GT350.
Coming for you.
All right, brother.
Champion.
How are you feeling?
Oh man, that GTR round was a huge confidence builder.
Yeah, he did take out the GTR, so he just took out a Nissan GTR, so he should be Cloud 9 right now. We'll see, we'll see. Cloud 10. Not gonna lie, guys, a little intimidated. I mean, we both got about 500 horsepower. However, that thing has all the downforce in the world, and our front end has no downforce. So even last race, going around the corners, I only hit like 55, 60, and it was kind of a little sketchy. I really wasn't pushing it. But I was going 65 last time around the corner, so it's gonna be close. All right, guys, we are in the quarterfinals. Unfortunately, we're going against our buddy Anthony with the GT350. 2 of our friends are already out. The McLaren got out and the ZL1 got out. So now we got the C43, the GT350, and me. We got, what, like 5 people, 6 people left, so we got a pretty good chance of taking it.
The CA with you guys. I think it's quick.
Let's go, baby. I think we're in the top 4 now. So we're in the final, or I guess this is quarterfinal, or I don't know. 2 teams left, or 4 teams left. 2 more races. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. We won though. We're going top 4. All right, guys. So it's top 4. Sorry about my hair, but we got Robert and Swiss Roll Mafia up there going against the VR4. It's quarterfinals. 4 teams left. We got them 2, and then we got the Eclipse versus the C8. All right, here they go. Oh my God. Okay, that VR4 might take it. Oh man, I thought Swiss Roll had that. Get him, Swiss Roll. All right, guys, so unfortunately Robert just lost. We're on the top 3. We're gonna take out the Eclipse and then the VR4. That should be fun.
Let's go!
Round 2.
So it's me and a VR4 going to the finals. So yeah, we'll see what happens. He's quick, he's really fast. They come all the way from New England, I believe, to race down here, so they're pretty serious. So we'll see what happens. All right, here we go. This car is extremely fast, so no promises, guys. I don't know. He's all-wheel drive. He gets out of the hole really good. We'll see what happens. Second one, so here we go. That was tough. That was really tough.
Second battle.
Alright guys, well, we're all done with Spectator drags. We got all the cars lined up here. We're doing a little photo shoot. We got our check up front on the C8. $500. But yeah, got all the guys out here. Super thankful for everybody who came out. We had an amazing time. Well guys, as always, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully we get some more out here pretty soon. The car's gonna be down for a little while. We'll talk about that later. But as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Later.